Wow. But I am in a state of shock right now. I cannot believe what I just witnessed. State and Duke lost in one day in two games. State versus Carolina, 2 points. State 67, 69. Duke and Florida State, 7 points. 62 to 59. So that means my boys, Carolina, are still in the game. Good job, boys. Good job. Good job. Good job. Um, to all my Carolina fans, I know y'all happy as well, just like I am. But I did not see this coming at all. We get to play in the championships first thing tomorrow at 1 o'clock versus Florida State. But as for the State and Duke fans, I can put this in four different words. See you next year. Let's go Tar Heels. We can beat Florida State, just like Florida State, just like Florida State beat Duke. But we got this, all right? We got this. That's all I gotta say. Peace out and God bless. Peace.